is Shelby. Welcome back to Smoky Mountain Traders. Today we're going to be checking out this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. If you have any questions at the end of this video, don't hesitate to call or email us. Come on up and let's check it out. Across the front, we can see that the bumper has a brilliant shine and that the grille is in excellent condition. I love the one-year-old body style that the 70 model offers. You'll also notice that it's set up with a working cowl induction hood. As we make our way around the driver's side, we can see that the body lines flow beautifully from the front to the rear. Come on up and let's check out the interior. It features a classic black color scheme that flows perfectly with the exterior. All the door panels are like new and the windows go up and down with ease. This Chevelle comes with bucket seats and console that houses the 4-speed shifter. Looking at the dash, you'll notice that it has Super Sport gauges along with the SS steering wheel. The carpet, headliner, and visors have all been redone and they look amazing. This car is gorgeous both inside and out. Now that we checked out that beautiful interior, let's make our way around the back. The rear bumper sports more of the one-year-only body style. And we can see it has a brilliant shine and that the SS pad is like new. You'll also notice that the deck lid has a great fit along with the bumper. As we make our way around the passenger side, I'm going to take a step back so you can get a better appreciation for this classic Chevrolet. Down the sides are beautiful and we can see that the panel fit is very nice from front to rear. It's covered with a stunning red and black stripe color scheme. The stripes are buried under the clear and it has been polished to a mirror finish that has a deep rich shine. All the glass is stunning in the 70 and all the trim has a brilliant shine from the wheel opening molding to the window trim. To finish off the stance is sitting on the 15-inch wheels with the Firestone Wide Oval Tires. Now that we've checked out the exterior, come on up and let's look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. The engine bay has been meticulously done at the time of restoration. From the inner fenders to the firewall, nothing was left untouched. It's powered by a fresh 454 engine that runs and sounds amazing. It's fed by the Edelbrock Performer intake and 4-barrel carb. It's dressed with the factory-style air cleaners and valve covers. It comes set up with power steering and power brakes along with having discs on the front. Underneath it, all of the floors and frame are rock solid. For exhaust, it has headers with dual pipes and Flowmaster style mufflers. This car was frame-off restored. They installed all new body bushings and redid all the suspension bushings as well. The 454 engine runs through the 4-speed trans and 12-volt rear end. On the highway, this car runs phenomenal and is sure to turn heads anywhere you go. Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful Chevelle with me. Like I said earlier, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email us. Make sure to like us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. I'll see you soon.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.